Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton. Today I'm on board a 2025 Scout 195 Sportfish. You'll see in the photos the boat has the navy blue hull sides. For power, we have this boat set up with an upgraded 150 horsepower Yamaha. Two nice jump seats here at the transom. Swim platform off the port side. Helm seat with removable backrest. Underneath the helm seat is your live well. This boat is outfitted with the T-top with the Scout white powder coat, your Sea Star trim tabs, wireless phone charger, your Fusion stereo. We've upgraded this with the JL audio speakers. You have plenty of space in the dash to flush mount some electronics. Nice matting on the helm to keep your gear from sliding around. Nice deep gunnels as we make our way up to the bow of the boat. You have space under the console to mount a head if you wanted to. This boat doesn't have that, but there is space for it. In front of the console, you have a carry-on, carry-off cooler that acts as a forward-facing seat. You also have your forward-facing backrest up here in the bow of the boat. Underneath the bow cushion is a designated storage space for additional gear. Then you have an anchor locker up here in the forward part of the bow as well. This boat is outfitted with the trolling motor panel, as well as the bow rod holder, cup holder combos. So that is a real quick look at our 2025 Scout 195 Sportfish. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.